Hello and welcome to the last edition of the Economic Calendar this week. Sarah Mackey in the Ducoscopy studio with an overview of events that the Forex markets will take notice of today, Friday, November 28th. French and Italian producer price indexes out at 7:45 for October. The prices have been cooling down since July in France and since August in Italy. As the main driver of the trend, falling commodity prices continues, further ease in PPI is likely. Staying in the Eurozone, a couple of reports released at 10 a.m, preliminary consumer price index for November and October's unemployment rate. CPI is expected to contract even more after a drop in October. After the all-year low unemployment rate of 7.2% in February, the labour market slack has consistently increased and further rate growth is expected well into the next year. Big news in Switzerland at 10:30 as the country's KOF leading indicator is published for November. Swiss economy didn't manage to avoid the global turmoil, especially since it is heavily relying on the financial sector, which has suffered worldwide due to the crisis that started in the US. October posted 15 straight contractions and projections are made for another drop in November. Confederation of British Industry releases its quarterly distributive trade survey at 11 a.m. It includes data from about 160 retailers and wholesalers in the UK and will be quite influential for the pound. November's headline numbers are expected to rebound slightly. Canada's current account for the third quarter of 2008 is out at 1:30 GMT. Large proportion of raw materials in Canadian exports combined with growing commodity prices in the spring-summer period helped boost the surplus. Third quarter figures are likely to reflect relative strength of the Canadian dollar over the greenback, as well as general poor state of demand in the US. Also at 1:30, industrial products and raw materials price indexes will provide some data on Canadian inflation. Driven mainly by a plunge in energy costs, prices in both sectors have decreased in September. This was the week's final economic calendar for currency traders. I, Sarah Mackey, wish you a great weekend on behalf of the entire Ducoscopy studio team. We'll see you again on Monday, December 1st, with another broadcast of events to take notice of.